This is the 40 series torque converter that I bought for the 16 horsepower Duromax engine that I bought. It's going to be a pretty sweet setup. Hopefully everything fits. It is the cheapest kit that I found online. If you bought the kit or buy a kit from the typical like go-kart mini bike websites, they're going to be like almost double the price, and they're all pretty much the same thing, made in China, and they just rebrand them and sell them. So this one was $229 with free shipping. Comes with both pulleys, the cover, bracket, the mounting bracket for it, belt. So like already this thing is a monster compared to the mini bike torque converter, which is a 30 series. Like this thing is huge. That's actually kind of funny. So that's the cover. This is the belt that you get, and I will be doing a video test fitting this on the engine. So this is some hardware to mount it on. That. And then this is the plate with the jack shaft. So the construction is pretty good. Feels super solid. So you see the teeth on there for the chain. So the biggest concern is this thing hitting the oil dipstick, because on those bigger motors they have they have two dipsticks, one on each side. So I saw a couple videos where people had to cut. I think it was on the smaller ones. It was the 8 horsepower ones. The video that I saw where the guy plugged it and then he just like cut it off with a saw. But hopefully this fits, and I think it will. But I will do a video test fitting it. But this is definitely the best deal. I'll link in the description where I got it from. It's a good seller. So look at this thing, it's huge. Yeah, pretty solid. Best deal, like I said. So I think you should definitely, if you're looking in the market, I would go with this kit just because it's cheaper, and like the other ones, it's just the same thing. The plates look a little different. But pretty much they're all the same thing, same pulleys. Yeah, awesome. So I'm going to be test fitting this, and then hopefully it fits and I won't have to do anything. But that's pretty much it. Straightforward, just hardware. And yeah, that's all it's there. Oh, here we go. Some more stuff. I think that's for the crank. So you have like the keyway and bolts and stuff like that, washers. And then this one is for like these holes here.